Welcome back to Ultimate Top 10. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of growing your YouTube channel, keywords. We're going to explore the top 10 YouTube keyword trends that will help you maximize your channel's growth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your strategy, these trends will give you the edge you need. So, let's get started. Number 10, Food Trends and Recipes. From the latest culinary trends to easy recipes, food content is always in demand. Keywords like trending recipes, food hacks, and healthy meal ideas can draw in food enthusiasts and home cooks alike. Number 9, Personal Development Growth. Keywords related to self-improvement, motivation, and productivity are increasingly popular. Create content that offers valuable tips and insights on personal growth, and you'll appeal to viewers looking to enhance their lives. Number 8, Product Reviews and Unboxings. Consumers are always looking for reviews before making a purchase. Keywords such as best product reviews, tech unboxings, and product comparisons can attract viewers who are interested in informed buying decisions. Number 7, Travel Vlogs and Destinations. As people start planning their next vacation, travel-related content is on the rise. Keywords like top travel destinations, travel vlogs, and budget travel tips are trending and can help you connect with an audience eager for travel inspiration. Number 6, Gaming Trends. The gaming community is huge and ever-growing. Keywords related to popular games, gaming tips, and streaming guides are always in demand. By incorporating these keywords, you can attract gamers looking for the latest news and strategies. Number 5, DIY Projects Crafts. Whether it's home improvement, arts and crafts, or upcycling, people love to engage in hands-on activities. Keywords like easy DIY projects, craft ideas, and home decor DIY are trending and can drive a lot of traffic to your channel. Number 4, Crypto and Financial Education. With the rise of digital currencies and a growing interest in personal finance, keywords related to crypto trends, investment strategies, and financial tips are highly searched. Create content that demystifies these topics and provides valuable insights to engage your audience. Number 3, Health Wellness. His broad category covers everything from mental health to fitness routines and nutritious recipes. Keywords such as mental wellness tips, home workouts, and healthy eating habits are popular and can help attract viewers looking to improve their well-being. Number 2, Sustainable Living. As more people become environmentally conscious, they're searching for ways to live sustainably. Keywords like eco-friendly tips, sustainable products, and green living are trending. By creating content around these topics, you'll tap into a growing community committed to making a difference. Number 1, AI and Machine Learning. With advancements in technology, this topic is becoming increasingly popular. People are searching for insights on how AI is transforming industries, creating new opportunities, and even affecting everyday life. Including keywords related to AI in your titles and descriptions can attract a tech-savvy audience. That's it for our top 10 YouTube keyword trends for maximum channel growth. We hope these insights help you optimize your content and attract more viewers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which keyword trend you're most excited to explore. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.